Dear students, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, based on the time zone at presently you are staying. First of all, I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. Today, let us study how to create one simple calculator project in Java. I hope it is clear. Today, we are going to study about how to create one simple calculator using Java. Okay, good. So as usual, I like to share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to all. Good. See it here, simple calculator in Java. By using Java, how to create one simple calculator. You know very well, normal calculator, physical calculator. What are the purpose we are using? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the work can be done by simple, normal, physical calculator. Same work how we can do by using Java application. That is what we are going to study in this lesson. Before proceed, let us see some recollect. Let us recollect some of the terms. For example, arithmetic operator we are should know. In this project, we are using if-else if statement, scanner class and its method, string class and its method. I go in previous classes we studied arithmetic operator, if-else if statement, scanner class and its method, string class and its method. These four concepts only we are going to use in this simple calculator project. Anyway, I will teach you in short form this concept. Then we can proceed to simple calculator project. See arithmetic operator, plus, minus, star, slash, percentage, increment, decrement. These are comes under arithmetic operator. Let us study usage of plus. Plus means addition operator. It returns sum of the values of operand. That means A is assigned with 20, B is assigned with 30. A is left operand, B is right operand. In between plus is there. That means left and right will be added. 20 and 30 will be added. It produces 50. Same logic applied for subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage. Only thing is this division gives quotient of division. Whereas this percentage symbol stands for modulus. It returns remainder of division. I hope it is clear. Okay. So let we can proceed to if-else if statement. The syntax is if expression 1, statement 1. Else if expression 2, statement 2. So on up to else if expression n, statement n. Else statement else. If expression 1 gives true, statement 1 belongs to first if will execute. Rest of them will be skipped. If expression 2 is true, statement 2 belongs to that block will execute. Rest of them everything will be skipped. If all expression gives false, the statement belongs to else block will execute. At any point which expression gives true, that particular statement only will execute. This is what if-else statement. That also already we studied. Then let us proceed to scanner class and its method. To take user input, scanner class is used. This scanner class is available in java.util package. In our project, simple calculator project, we need to get three input from the user. One is left aberrant, another one is right aberrant, which are the aberrator, either plus, minus, star. So we need user input from the console. For that purpose, scanner class used. This scanner class is available under java.util package. What are the steps involved to get input from the user? First step, we need to import scanner class. Import java.util.scanner. Then we need to create one object under scanner class. So scanner is the class, user underscore input is a object, new scanner, system.in. Since we will take input from the console, From the console only we are getting input. So we get to use system.in. We need to call next method. Next is a method under scanner class. So invoke next method of scanner class that returns the input you read from the console in the form of string. So whatever input we are getting through console with the help of scanner class involving next method, it is in the form of string only. Whatever we are getting from the console using scanner class, that will be in the form of string that you need to understand. Then how to convert string input into numeric input. Is it clear? So numeric input using scanner classes. To convert string in data into numeric data, Java pre-built classes called integer and double we can use. These integer and double classes are available under java.lang package. So java.lang package contains two important classes. One is integer, another one is Java. Among these, in our simple calculator project, we want to use only integer class, not double class. Since by default, java.lang package is imported for all classes, so no need to import any extra package. The java.lang package, no need to import. This integer class has one method that is called as parseInt. ParseInt is a method of integer class. It takes string as a parameter and returns its equivalent integer. Whatever input we are getting through scanner class is string form. That string needs to be converted into integer. Okay, that is why parseInt is used. Good. Then we can proceed to string class. For string handling, string class available under java.lang package can be used. The string class has number of useful methods. Among this, we are going to use only one method, that is char add, that we will see. Individual characters in string can be accessed by its index. Index means index always start from 0 to n minus 1 for string which has n number of characters. For example, here we have one string Doha. Here we have one string called Doha. D is available at 0 index. So index always start from 0 to n minus 1. Okay. String class has so many methods. Among these methods, we are going to use in our project only one method, that is char add. This char add returns the character at the given index. For example, my string is our string. It contains hello world. My string dot char at of 6. In sixth index, which character is available, that will return. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The space also included. W is available at sixth index. That is why it returns 6. I hope is it clear? So far, we studied or we revised whatever we studied earlier. What are the concepts we are going to do we are going to use in our simple calculator project. Now we came to coding part. In this coding part, already I imported java.util.scanner. So our program is ready to accept input from the user. Good. We need two variable a and b. Both are declared under integer. A we can use for left aberrant. B we can use for right aberrant. String OBE. This OBE we can assign with any one arithmetic operator. It may be a plus, it may be minus. Scanner user input equal to new scanner system.in. We are creating one object under scanner. Enter left aberrant, it will be displayed as it is. Dot next, user input dot next. That means what? It will wait for the user input. For example, I'm giving 30. The 30 in the form of string. The 30 will be converted into, 30 in the form of string. That will be converted into 30 integer form. That will be assigned to A. Now A is assigned with 30 if I'm giving 30. In this case, system.out.print entire operator. I will give number plus or whatever arithmetic operator you want. that operator will be directly stored into OB because now we are getting string input. So no need to convert. Similarly, system.out.println enter write aberrant. In this case, I will give number 20 in the form of string. This 20 will be converted into integer called 20. 20 in the form of integer number that will be stored into B. Now A contains 30, B contains 20, OBE contains plus. Let me check if else. OBE dot caret of 0. Already we studied this OBE is a string. Zeroth location. What is zeroth location available? Plus is available. Plus double equal to plus. This is true. The expression one itself, this statement will execute. Everything will be skipped. That means 30 OBE is now plus B is 20. That is 30 plus 20 gives A plus B. A is 30, B is 20. So it will give 50. Let me check the output here. Enter aberrant 30, enter aberrator plus, enter right aberrant 20. So 30 plus 20 gives 50. What will happen, sir, if I am giving other than plus, minus, star, slash, percentage? For example, I give caret symbol. Caret symbol is not comes under arithmetic operator. What will happen? In this case, A is assigned with 30, B is assigned with 20, OBE is assigned with character symbol. This also false, this also false, this also false, this also false, this also false. You know very well, this is for subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage. So all condition false. Now zeroth character is caret. So the block belongs to else will execute. We will get invalid operator. This is what I got it. I hope it is clear. Same project or same coding, I will demonstrate in front of you using my Apache NetBeans. Let me create one new project. Make it as a small. So go for File, New Project, Java with and Java application, next. Here I can give one name, for example, simple calculator. Okay, just click finish. First part is we need to import java.util.scanner. Then we need to declare two variables. This command, let us delete. So all the commands are deleted now. So far, no problem. Here I need to import java.util.scanner so that we can get user input. First part over. Then I need to declare two integer variables, A for left aberrant, B for right aberrant. I need to declare one string aberrant, that is OBE to store aberrator. Now I need to create one object, user input under scanner class. New scanner system.in semicolon. So new scanner object is created. Through this scanner object, we can access next method. Okay. So I need to get left aberrant. Print. Enter left aberrant. So now A stands for left aberrant. Our scanner object is user input dot next. So whatever next gives in the form of string, I need to convert it into integer because A declared already integer form. Integer dot parseInt. So parseInt converts string to integer. So far, no problem. It shows one message. This is OB not. So far, no problem. Then I just copy paste for right aberrant. This is for right aberrant. Same thing, but instead of A, it should be B. Good. In between, I need to get aberrator. Okay, arithmetic aberrator. Here, enter aberrator. So for aberrator, no need to conversion. No need for conversion because it is string only. Next method of scanner class return string only. So no need to convert. So now we got left aberrant, aberrator as well as right aberrant. Now let us go for only arithmetic aberrator. That is OBE dot caret. That means zeroth location. If zeroth location contains plus, plus means stand for addition. We need to add these two, left aberrant and right aberrant. Println A plus B. Okay, this is what given in this slide. Okay, now first let us run the program, then we will proceed. Now our project will work for addition only. Good. So now I need to enter left aberrant for 30. Okay, now aberrator stand for plus. Right aberrant. So I need output as 30, sorry, 50. So 30 plus 20, I got 50. In between here, I need A plus OBE plus B. After that, gives. Then it will be very nice. Let me check. Same thing I can proceed. 30 will be stored into A, plus will be stored into OBE, 20 will be stored into B. Okay. So A means 30, OB stand for plus, that is 30 plus I got it. B stand for 20, that also got it. Within double quote will be displayed as it is, that is 30 plus 20 gives A plus B. Now you can put one bracket here also. Okay, instead of A plus B, I got 50. Here some problem is there because we got 30. Let me check once again. 30 plus 20. So 30 plus 20 gives 50. Now you know very well, same thing we can proceed. Else if I can copy paste here. This is for subtraction. Okay. Minus, instead of plus, it should be minus. Same thing I can proceed. This is for multiplication. This is for multiplication. Good. Once again, for division. If zeroth character is slash, we need slash. Then once more, for percentage. Percentage stand for modulus. Modulus means remainder. Okay. If all condition false, we need to proceed with system.out.println invalid aberrator. Here. I don't want this invalid aberrator. I hope it is clear. Let me check the output. I hope this project is very nicely working. Let me check the output. First, let us go for addition. Left aberrant 30. Aberrator is plus, right aberrant is 20. That means 30 plus 20 gives 55. Then let us proceed with subtraction. 30 minus 20. It should be 10. Fine. Then we can go for multiplication. Star 20. It should be 600. Fine. Then we can go for division. 30 slash stand for division 20. So 1. Quotient is 1. I got correct. Then we can go for percentage. 30 percentage. Percentage means modulus. Right hand is 20. So 120s are 20. Then remainder is 10. I got it. What will happen if we give other than these symbols? For example, here I give caret symbol. Some other symbol other than plus, minus, star, slash, percentage. Right aberrant 20. It should be invalid operator. So I hope it is clear to all. Our simple calculator project using Java, it's working very nicely. We got correct output. I hope it is clear. Today, let me stop here itself. I hope all of you enjoy this simple calculator project. You know very well how to do it. You can proceed yourself. In next lesson, let us study some other project detailedly. Thank you, student. Have a nice good day. Bye-bye. See you.